if you're ready. So let's start with the first question. It is a BADMAS question. So what we'll do, firstly, we'll start with if you have brackets, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and then at the end, addition or subtraction. So when we will check the question here, you see that we have here a division first. If you want, you can do the division first with a minus, or you can get rid of this parenthesis. Minus and minus will be plus, so it will be 2.8 minus and minus plus 14.8 divided by 2. So here I have 2.8 plus 14.8 divided by 2. It's a simple division, which will be 7.4. Then the sum will be 8 plus 4, 12. 1 in mind. 2 plus 7, 9. And 1 in mind, 10.2 it will be. So as you see, it is C. In the second one, again, we have a BADMAS rule. So what we'll do, we'll start with the brackets first. I have 2022 minus 2022 minus, here I have 2022 divided by 2, which will be 1011 plus 2022 minus 22 divided by 2, it is 11. Then I'm closing the big parenthesis, minus 11, this part, plus 2022 divided by 2011 it is. So here, when we'll come back to the big parenthesis, I have 2022 minus 2022, which is 0. And here I have minus 1011 plus 22. 2022 will be 1011 minus 11. I have minus 11 here plus 1011. So this one is 1000, and this part minus 11 plus 1011 can be plus 1000. So it is 2000. After doing the division operations, guys, the other order, it's up to you. You can decide from which to start. Only you need to be careful with the signs, okay? Or directly also from here, you could start 2022 minus 22. This part is 0. Then you can start with this part. It's up to you. I am trying to write all the steps for you to be more understandable. So the result is 2000. It's C. Then in the third one, we have exponents. So here you can solve in two different ways. Firstly, you can do directly to find 2 to the power of 5. What is 2 to the power of 5? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 times you're multiplying 2 by itself. So this will be 4 times 2, 8, times 2, 16, and times 2, 32. So 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So I have 32 plus 32 over 4 cubed. It is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 will be 64 over 64. So this is 64 over 64, which is 1. But in the answers, you don't have directly the 1, but you have 2 to the power of 0. That we know that anything to the power of 0 is 1. You can do like this. Or you can do with the properties of exponents. Here I have addition of 2 same number. So I can write it as 2 times 2 to the power of 5 over. And here 4 cube I can write 4, I can write as 2 square, as you know, and to the power of 3. So when we had multiplication of two numbers with the same base, what we're doing, we're adding the powers. So I will have 2 to the power of 6 over, and here when you have power of power, it will be, we're multiplying the powers, and it will be 2 to the power of 6, as you see. And here we have with the division of two numbers with the same base. So 2 to the power of 6 minus 6, this is another property. So it will be 2 to the power of 0, which is b. Which way you want, you can use. When we are coming to the fourth one, we have here, as you see, we have here decimals and fractions. So what we will try to do, we'll try to get rid of the decimal point. So what I will do, I will multiply with the powers of 10 according to the number. So here I have 0.03, which after decimal point I have two numbers, so I need to multiply with 100. So I'm multiplying all the fraction with 100. Same thing I will do in the second one and in the third one, because I have in all of them two numbers after the decimal point. So our fraction will become 0.9 times 100 will be 90 over 0.03 will times 100 will be 3 minus, in the second one, 0.1 times 100 will be, I will move 2 places from the decimal point, so it will be 10 over 2 minus, this one will be 12 over 4. So it will become 90 over 3, it is 30, minus 10 over 2, it is 5, minus 12 over 4, it is 3. So I have 30 minus 5, 25, minus 3, 22, which is A. Do you have any question here? No, I think. Okay. When we are coming to the fifth one, values of y, a, and h is given. And there is an equation here. So what we need to do, we need to replace the values in the given expression. So I have y squared, y is 2, so it will be 2 squared plus cube root of a is minus 8. Then I have minus square root of h is 4, plus y again, which is 2, and minus a again, which is minus 8. Then 2 squared it is 4, plus when you have cube root, I will try to write the inner part of the radical as a power of 3. So I have minus 8. Minus 8 is same as minus 2 cube. Why? Because when I will multiply minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, you will see that this will become minus 8. So minus 8 can be written as minus 2 cube. Then I have minus root of 4, which is 2, plus 2, minus and minus will be plus 8. Then here I have cube root and cube, so these two will cancel each other. So I have 4 plus minus 2, and here I have minus 2 plus 2, which will be 0, and plus 8. So I have 4 minus 2 plus 8. So 4 minus 2 is 2, plus 8 it is 10. So the result is 10E. In the sixth one, we have algebraic expression. We need to simplify this to find the simpler form. So for that one, I need to get out from the parentheses. In the first parenthesis, I have x plus 2 square. So we call this one binom square. There is a formula for this, and here it is the formula. So you have, if you have a binom square, I have a plus b squared. So always it works in this way. A squared, first term square, plus 2 times first term times second term, and plus second term square. So here, if we'll write this one, I have 3 times. Now my first term is x. What we said, first term square, x squared plus 2 times first term x times second term plus second term square. This is binom square, guys. You cannot write, this is biggest mistake that you can do if you will write that x plus 2 square is equal to x squared plus 2 square. This is not possible, okay? You have to use these formulas for binom square, both of them. One of them is with minus, one of them is with plus. Then I am continuing. In the other part, I have number in front of the parentheses, so I need to multiply with that number to get out from the parentheses. So it will be 2 times x squared, which is 2x squared. Then I have, this is plus 2 times minus 6x, which will be plus and minus will be minus. 2 times 6, it's 12x. And then the last one again, plus 2 times minus 6, which will be minus 12 is equal to. Now, same thing I need to do here, but let's write the parentheses in standard form first. So I have x squared plus 2 times 2, 4x, plus 2 squared, it is 4, plus 2x squared minus 12x minus 12 is equal to. Now I will multiply with 3 all the terms. So it will be 3 times x squared, it is 3x squared, plus 3 times 4, it is 12x, plus 3 times 4, it is 12, plus 2x squared minus 12x minus 12. Now let's see the like terms. Like terms are the terms that have the same variable with the same power. So x squared and x squared, they are like terms. So I have here 3x squared plus 2x squared will be 5x squared. Let's check the other like terms. 12x and 12x, they are like terms. Same variable with the same power, but one of them is plus 12x, the other one is minus 12x. So this is 0. And then at the end I have plus 12 minus 12. Also this one is 0. So the result is 5x squared, which is C. You need to be careful here. C and D, it seems very similar, but they have different values. 5x squared is not same as this 5x squared. This is in parentheses, which means that this one will be 25x squared. So they are different. And this one is the sixth one. Now we are coming to the seventh one. Here we have a geometry question, and as you see, only the figure is given. Nothing is extra information is given written. So everything we need to understand from the figure. So what we need to understand from the figure, there are two lines given with these two arrows. When you have two lines given with these two arrows, it means that the lines are parallel to each other. Then inside we have a pentagon, and in each side of the pentagon we have some lines, as you see. So these lines also means that all the sides are equal to each other. So when we have polygon with all the sides same, we call them regular polygons. When all the sides are same, also all the angles will be same in the polygon. Here we are talking about pentagon. So all the interior angles will be equal to each other. So we have a formula to find the interior angles of the polygon, any polygon, which is n minus 2 times 180. But we have also here to find a formula to find only one interior angle of a regular polygon, which is n minus 2 times 180 over n. So our polygon is with 5 sides, pentagon. So n becomes 5. So to find one interior angle of the polygon, regular polygon, I will use the formula 5 minus 2 times 180 over 5. So this becomes 3 times 180 over 5. Then I'm doing simplification. First, I'm multiplying 180. I am dividing 180 by 5. So this will be 180 divided by 5. You can check. In 18, 5 goes 3 times, which will be 15. Then 3, I'm taking 0 down. 30 divided by 5 will be 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So as you see, it's 36. So I have here 3 times 36. 3 times 36 will be 108. So one interior angle of the polygon is 108 degrees. Why I found one interior angle? Because as you see, the x that we are looking for is one part of the interior angle of the pentagon. Then This whole angle is 180, but I'm looking only this part, x part. So I need to know this part. Can I find this part? Yes, because I have here given that there are two parallel lines and a line crosses that two parallel lines. For this, we have another property that we need to know. As you see, when you have two parallel lines and a line passes through them, there are some groups of equal angles. So here we are, in our figure, we have corresponding angle. What does mean corresponding angle? For example, here, 1 and angle 6 are corresponding. They are on the same side of the line and they are looking to the same direction. Look, both of them looks up. Or, as you see, 4 and 8, they are corresponding angles, same side of the line, and they are looking both down. Same thing works for 2 and 5, 3 and 7. So also there are some other groups of equal angles. You can check this figure later and check which ones are equal angles. So here, if we have this 30 here, 30 degrees, it means that also this part here, let me show you, this part is 30 degrees because they are corresponding angles. So we have one interior angle as x plus 30, which is what we said for one interior angle. We said that it is 108 degrees. So to find x, 108 minus 30 will do. So x will be 78 degrees, which is D. Okay, so this is not hard question, but only you need to know these rules and properties to solve it. And you need to read the question carefully. Then we are coming to the eighth one. So here, as you see, we have fractions, addition, subtraction of fractions. Firstly, I will convert this fraction to improper one with the formula. If you remember, we call this one as backward C, C times A plus B over C. So I will write the other fractions as they are. 6 over 18 minus 10 over 15 plus, so this one will become 21 times 2, which is 42, and plus 7 will be 49 over 21 minus 32 over 24. So to add or subtract fractions, our rule is to make the denominators all same. So here, as you see, the denominators are very, like, not very big, but big numbers. So if we'll try to find the LCM of them, it will be another bigger number, which will be harder for us to do the operations. But I can see that in each fraction, I can simplify numerator and denominator. So in the first one, I see that I can divide both of them by 6. In the second one, I see that I can divide both of them by 5. In the third one, I see that both of them is divisible by 7. And in the fourth one, both of them is divisible by 8. Then our fractions will become 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3, second one, plus 7 over 3, third one, minus 4 over 3. So when you are simplifying, you will see that all the denominators are same. So it's easy after this. Denominator is 3. Then we are doing operations on numerators. Then it will be 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 7. Minus 1 plus 7, 6. 6 minus 4, 2 over 3, which is C here. So this is the eighth one. Then let's continue with the ninth one. Now here we have I cannot see the question part. Okay. Here we have John ordered one pizza. He ate 3 out of 8 of the pizza. So we have one pizza, let's say it is X, and John ate 3 out of 8 of it. This is the part that John ate. Then his sister came home and she ate 2 out of 5 of leftover pizza. How much pizza is left? So firstly, what we said, we have a pizza, full pizza. And John ate 3 out of 8 of it. So X minus what John ate will give us what is left after John. So this one, when I will do operation, it will become 8x minus 3x over 8, which is 5x over 8. This is the part that is left after John. Then his sister ate 2 out of 5 of this part. So I have 5x over 8 times 2 out of 5. Then in this case, when we will do operations, you can do some simplifications. And this is like 2x over 8. Okay. And this one is what is left after, what John's sister ate. Then this was left after John, and this is what his sister ate. Let's see what is left after both of them. So 5x over 8 minus 2x over 8 will be 3x over 8. So what is left? 3 out of 8 of the pizza is left after both of them. So which is 8. A, the result. Then if we'll continue in the 10th one, we have multiplication with the powers of 10 or division with the powers of 10. So in this case, if we are multiplying, there are also for these two different ways to solve. You can write as fraction and to solve, or you can write as decimals and later to do the addition or subtraction. It's up to you. So firstly, if you are multiplying with 10 to the power of minus 2, as you see, if they are whole numbers, in each whole number we have a decimal point at the end, yes? So if I'm multiplying with the 10 to the power of minus 2, it means that I am dividing with 100 at the same time, because 10 to the power of minus 2 is same as 1 over 10 squared. So it means that I'm dividing this with 10 squared, which means I need to go backwards 2 places because I have 2 here. So the first one will become 2.35. Then plus, here I'm dividing again with 100. Again, I will go back 2 points, 2 places. So it will be 1.45 minus, and this one, again, 2 places back I'm going because I'm dividing with 100. So it will be 0.11. Then this one will become, if we'll add 5 plus 5, 10, 1 in mind, 3 plus 4, 7, 1 in mind, 8.2 plus 1, 3. This is 3.80 minus 0.11. Then you need to do this subtraction. I'm taking 10 from this, 7 is left here. 10 minus 1, it's 9. 7 minus 1, it's 6. And 3 minus 0, it's 3. So 3.69 is the result. You can do like this directly, or as I said, you can write as fractions, which will become 235 times 1 over 10 squared, plus, because this is division, it will become 145 over 10 squared minus 11 over 10 squared. As you see, all the denominators are same, so you have to add and subtract the numerators only over 10 squared. When you will do this operation, this is 369 over 10 squared, which is 100. So also this is 3.69. Which one you want, you can use. Which one is easier for you, you can use that one. Now, in the 11th one, we have an equation. So firstly, we need to write unknowns in one side, knowns in the other side to solve the equation. To come to that step, first I need to get out from the parentheses. So what I will do, I will multiply with the numbers in front of the parentheses. So it will become 2 times x, 2x, minus 2 times 3, 6, plus 4 times x, 4x, plus 4 times 2, 8 is equal to 3x plus 5. Then, like terms, as we said, which ones are like terms? With the same variable, with the same power. So 2x plus 4x will be 6x, minus 6 plus 8 will be plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 5. Now, when I will take unknowns in one side, knowns in the other side, it will become 6x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 2. So this is 3x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1. Result is 1c here, as you see. Then, when we are coming to the 12th one, in the 12th one, we have inequality. So directly here, as you see, as it is given, unknowns in one side, knowns in the other side, when you will do, it will become x will stay as where it is. Then I will take minus 2x to the other side, which will become plus 2x, less than or equal to 6 I have in this side. Then I'm taking minus 3 to the other side, which will be plus 3. So it is 3x less than or equal to 9. I'm dividing by 3. So x is not equal to, less than or equal to 3. So this is A, as you can see. In the 13th one, when we are coming, we have again inequality, but we have in two sides of the variable. So in this kind of questions, guys, your aim is to leave the mid part here. You have the variable in the mid part, to leave the variable alone here. So what I will do, I will try to get out, like to cancel these numbers or these coefficients that you have in the mid part. So firstly, I have plus 3. I need to get rid of this plus 3. So what I will do, I will subtract 3 from each side of the inequality. So it will become 45 minus 3 greater than or equal to 2x plus 3 minus 3 greater than minus 3 minus 3. Why I did minus 3? Because here I have plus 3 to make it 0. If it was minus 3 here, I would add 3 to each side. If it was another number, like you will do the opposite operation of the number that you have here. Then as you see, plus 3 minus 3, it will be 0. So I have here 45 minus 3, 42, greater than or equal to 2x, greater than minus 3, and minus 3 will be minus 6. Now what I need to do, I have 2x, I'm looking only for 1x. So I need to cancel these two. Because this is multiplication, I will divide by 2 all sides. So it will be 42 over 2 greater than or equal to 2x over 2 greater than minus 6 over 2. In this case, I will have 21 greater than or equal to x greater than minus 3. So as you see, the x values are between minus 3 and 21. Minus 3 is not included because there is no equality here. 21 is the highest value that x can take. So the question is here, which one is the highest integer value that satisfies the inequality? So 21 is the highest integer that satisfies the inequality. Do you have any question here? No. Okay, let's continue with the 14th one. In the 14th one, we have a systems of equations. So, as I have said before, there are different ways to solve systems. There is elimination method, there is substitution method, and there is graphing method. I'm using elimination method. What does mean elimination method? You are trying to eliminate one of the variables. How? For example, if you have one variable with opposite signs as this one, plus 2y minus 2y, I will try to make their coefficients same. This is 2y, this is 1y. So I'm multiplying this one by 2. Then it will become 5x plus 2y is equal to 3. First one, I'm not doing anything, writing as it is. In the second one, I'm multiplying by 2, so it will be 4x minus 2y is equal to 6. So what I have now, I have plus 2y minus 2y. When I will add these two equations, plus 2y minus 2y will be 0, so they will cancel each other. Then I have 5x plus 4x, which is 9x, is equal to 9 here. Then to find x, I will divide by 9. X is equal to 1. Where we found the value of x. When you will check the answers, only A and B has x1. The others, directly, we cancel the other options. Then to find y, you can choose any of the equations. I will choose first one. So it will be 5 times 1. Instead of x, we are writing 1 plus 2y is equal to 3. Then this is 5 plus 2y is equal to 3. I'm taking 5 to the other side. 2y is equal to 3 minus 5. 2y is equal to minus 2. When I will divide by 2, y is equal to minus 1 is the answer for y. So as you see, B is the correct answer. This is 14th one. When we are coming to the 15th one, it's a written question. It says twice of a number added to 4 times another number gives 22. So we have two unknowns here. One is twice of that number, 2x, added to 4 times another number, let's say it is y, is equal to 22. Then the sum of these two numbers is 8. So our numbers are x and y, their sum is equal to 8. So we need to find two numbers. So here, as you see again, we have system of equations. So what I will do, again, I will try to make one of the variables with the same coefficient, opposite signs. I'm choosing x this time. I have 2x here. Here I have 1x. So I will try to make this one minus 2x to cancel them out. So what I will do, I will multiply all the equation by minus 2. Then it will become, first one is same, nothing changed. 2x plus 4y is equal to 22. Minus 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 16 when I'm multiplying by minus 2. Then, when I will add these two equations, plus 2x minus 2x, they will be 0. 4y minus 2y, it will be 2y is equal to 22 minus 16 will be 6. Then I will divide by 2, so y is equal to 3. From the answers, always y is written in the second place, so only D is the answer, correct answer, as you see. But to be sure to find 5, what you will do, instead of the second equation, it is x plus 3 is equal to 8, so x is equal to 5, and you will see that this is the correct answer, D. This is 15th one. In the 16th one, we have here Leon has a fish tank as shown in the figure. It is 12 centimeters by 35 centimeters by 20 centimeters, the dimensions of the tank. Tank already has 1.2 liter water inside. How much more liters needed to make the tank full? Now, firstly, what we need to do, we need to find the volume, capacity of the tank. So what is the capacity? The multiplication of each dimension. And 20 centimeters. So this becomes I will do like 12 times 35 times 2, it is 70, and 0 here, 700. All centimeters multiplied will be centimeter cube. Then here, when I will multiply 12 by 7, 2 times 7, 14, 1 in mind, 1 times 7, 7, and 1 in mind, 8, and 2 zeros, 7,400 centimeter cube. If you remember, to convert from centimeter cube to liters, we were dividing by 1,000. When I will divide by 1,000, 2 zeros are gone, so the result will be 8.4 liters. Full capacity of the tank is 8.4 liters. We have here 1.2 liters full, that is filled. So to find how much is left, what we'll do, 8.4 minus 1.2, which will be 7.2 liters is left, which is answer B here. Now, when we'll continue with the 17th one, sorry, what is given here? The side length of a square is x plus 3 centimeters. The side lengths of a rectangle are x plus 1 centimeter and x plus 2 centimeters. The area of the square is 16 centimeters square more than the area of the rectangle. Find the value of x. So we have one square, okay, and then we have one rectangle. Okay. So what is given about square? That the side of one square is x plus 3. So we know that all the sides are same of the square. And the side length of rectangle is given as x plus 1 and x plus 2. What is the area of the square? It's the multiplication of sides. So area of square will be x plus 3 times x plus 3, which is x plus 3 square. And area of rectangle will be again multiplication of the sides, x plus 1 times x plus 2. These are the areas. And what is given about areas? The area of square is 16 more than the area of rectangle. So x plus 3 square is equal to x plus 1 times x plus 2 plus 16. Then what I need to do? I need to find x. Now here we have binom square, as we mentioned before, so it will become x squared plus 2 times x times 3 plus 3 squared is equal. And here what I need to do? I need to multiply all of them 1 by 1. So x times x will be x squared plus 2 times x, it is 2x, plus 1 times x, it is x, and plus 1 times 2 will be 2, and plus 16 here. When you have a term which is exactly same in two sides of the equation, you can cancel them out. So x squared will cancel with x squared. Then let's see what is left. 2x times 3 will be 6x plus 3 squared is 9 is equal to, here I have 2x and plus x will be 3x, 2 plus 16 will be 18. Then unknowns in one side, knowns in the other side, 6x minus 3x is equal to 18 minus 9. So 3x is equal to 9. I'm dividing by 3. So let me write here x is equal to 3. Then answer is C here. Now let's continue with the 18th one. In the 18th one, we have find the nth term of this sequence. So we have a sequence. Firstly, let's see. Let me write here. These are the terms. What is the difference between the terms? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. Then the difference between the terms is plus 5. Then I will draw my table. So here is position of the terms, first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. Then down, I will write the values of the terms, which is 6, 11, 16, and 21. Because the difference is 5, I will multiply the position of the terms with 5. So it will be 1 times 5, it's 5. So how much I need to add or subtract to get the 6? So I am adding plus 1 and I will get 6. I will check if it works for the second term. 2 times 5, it's 10. Plus 1, it's 11. 3 times 5, it's 15. Plus 1, it's 16. 4 times 5, it's 20. Plus 1, it's 21. So this one works. So what this gives us, that you're multiplying with 5 with the position of the term and adding 1, and then you are finding the terms, which is C. This is the nth term of this equation. So when you know which term, for example, here you have 4 terms given, and if it says to you to find the 50th term, you will use this one as 5 times 50 plus 1, and then you will find what will be the 50th term of this sequence. This is the 18th one. When we are coming to the 19th one, we have two fair dice are rolled and their numbers added. What is the probability that the sum can be divisible by 4? So firstly, we need to find all outcomes of this event here, what is done. So we have 2 dice rolled. So first die will have results like outcomes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are all possible outcomes from the first die. Also, from the second one, we have the same. And 6. So what it says 2 of them are rolled and their numbers are added. So think that first die has 1 as a result and second die has 1 as a result after rolling them. So their sum will be 2. So I will write here all the possible outcomes that 2 dice when I rolled. So 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 5, 4, 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 1 plus 6, 7. So 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Did you understand this part, what I did? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
It's okay, this part, what I did?
Yes.
Okay. Then these are all possible outcomes after 2 dice are rolled. Then what we are looking for? We are looking for the sum to be divisible by 4. So which ones are divisible by 4? 4, 4s are divisible by 4. 5, 6, 7, they are not divisible by 4. 8, they are divisible by 4. And then 12. So totally, how many outcomes I have? 6 by 6, which will be totally I have 36 outcomes. The one that we are talking about, divisible by 4, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 out of 36 is the probability of this sum. Here we don't have in this way, so I can simplify. by 9, so it will be 1 over 4. The probability of this event will be 1 over 4. And this is how this one works. Then when we are coming to the 20th one, in the 20th one figure is given, a coordinate plane and a line on it, and it is asking for the equation of the line. For this kind of questions, if it is given the line and the points that passes through the x, like two axes, x and y axis, then this formula works. It is x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. A is the intercept of x-axis and b is the intercept of y-axis. Then in our figure, intercept of x-axis, the point where the line passes x-axis is minus 3. So I'm writing x over minus 3 plus y over the point where the y-axis are cut is 3. Y over 3 is equal to 1. Then I need to write this equation in these forms. So I need to get out from this 3. This minus can be written also up as minus x over 3 plus y over 3 is equal to 1. Denominators are same. Minus x plus y over 3 is equal to 1. With the cross product, I will have minus x plus y is equal to 3. When I'm checking the answers, I don't have this one as answer, but I have the first one, which is very similar to this. So when I will multiply this one by minus 1, it will become x minus y is equal to minus 3. So this is my answer A. 21st one says which number's 20% is 60. So we have a number that we don't know and 20% of it is equal to 60. So after this, what we have, x times 20 over 100 is equal to 60. In this case, zeros will be cancelled. When I will have 2x is equal over 10 is equal to 60. With the cross product, I will have 2x is equal to 600. So x is equal to 600 over 2, which is 300. So our number is 300. 20% of 300 will be 60. Now, let's continue. 22. 22 says that we have 250 pieces of chocolate will be divided in a 2 by 3 by 4 ratio, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 ratio. What is the percentage of the largest share? So here, firstly, let's add the ratios. I have 2 plus 3 plus 5, which is 10. So what it means here? It means that I have 2, if we'll write the ratio, I have 2 out of 10 for the first part, 3 out of 10 for the second part, and 5 out of 10 for the third part. As you see, when you will simplify them, the biggest part is here, 5 out of 10, which is 1 over 2. The percentage of 1 over 2 will be, as you know, 50%. So D is your answer. And in the 23rd one, which of the following line passes through the point A? So here, guys, what you will do, only you will replace the values of x and y with these values in each answer, and then you will see which one works. For example, this is x, this is y. I am writing instead of x 1 for the A minus 4 This is minus 3. It's not 1. So A is not our answer. For the second one, 1 plus 2 times 4, which is 1 plus 8, and it is 9. Also, this is not my answer. In C, I have 2 times 4 minus 2 times 1, which is 8 minus 2, which is 6. As you see, also this one is not working. Then for C, 2 times 1 plus 4, which is 2 plus 4, and it is 6. As you see, this one works. So this is your answer. So there's no anything else here to do. Directly, you can try the given answers to you, which one works. In the 24th one, there is given a table to us, the input values and output values. What does it mean? It means that you are doing some operations to x, and then you will get 7 at the end. You will do some same operations to 3, and you will get y. You are doing some operations to 4, and you will get 13. This is like function machine. You will put the x value here, something will done inside of the machine, and you will get out 7. So we need to find what is done inside, which operations are done inside. I will start to do with the given numbers. I'm starting with 10. I can see 10 becomes 25. So I'm doing this operation. 10 times 2, because I see that there is a 20 here, will become 20. Then if I will add 5, it will become 25. Then let's see if it works for the other numbers also. 6 times 2 plus 5, what is 12 plus 5? 17. So it works also for this. 4 times 2 plus 5. 4 times 2, it's 12 plus 5, 13. So as you see, also here it works. So it means that 3 times 2 plus 5 will give you the y value. So this is 6 plus 5, which is 11 is equal to y. So we found the y value. For the x value, what I need to do? I need to write this one as x times 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So this is 2x is equal to 7 minus 5. 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. So we found the values. So I have y minus x, which is 11 minus 1, which is 10. So this is the answer of the 24th one. Now in the 25th one, there is given a figure here, a shape, and it says to find the surface area of the given shape. So to find the surface area, I need to know what kind of figures I have when I will open that shape. Here, when we'll open this one, we will have this figure. So here, as you see, there are some squares, there are some rectangles. So I need to find the area of that squares and rectangles. First, let's see which lengths we have for the squares and rectangles. So the longest one is 18. This part is 18 from here to here. Then I have here, as you see, in this side, this part, I have 8 by 8 square. So this part is 8 and this part is 8 here. This square, okay? Then I have here another rectangle, 6 by 8. If this one is 8, also this one is 8. So this is 6 by 8 rectangle. So this is 6 and 8, this one, 6 by 8 rectangle. Then I have this part again. It's given that this is 8 and this one is 8, we know. So this is 8 by 8 square. So 8 by 8 square. And then one more here up on the top. I have 6 by 8. So this is 6 by 8. This part we finished. Now I have the other part that is not seen. 1, 2, 3 more shapes. So this part, after this part, is same as this one, 8 by 8. So this is 8 and this one is 8. Then I have this one here, which is 6 by 8. So this part is 6, this part is 8. And we have the other side of this one, which is same as this part. So it will be 8 by 8. So we finish this part of the figure. What we have? The front and the back part. So here you can write in different ways. This one you can separate in different ways to rectangles. I will draw a line from here and from here. So this part, it's 18, and this part, we know that this part is 6 because of this. So this is 6. Let me draw it a bit better. So this is 6 here, and this part is 8. So this is 8 and 6 rectangle. This one is 18 and 8 rectangle. And this one is 18 and 8. Also this one is 18 and this part 8. And here we have again 6 by 8. Now what I need to do, I need to find the areas of all these squares and rectangles. So this one is 8 times 6. This one is 8 times 8. This one is 8 times 6. This one is 8 times 8. The big one is 18 times 8. Then here again I have 8 times 8. This one is 8 times 6. And this one is 8 times 8. Then here this one is again 18 times 8. This one is 18 times 8. The smaller one is 6 times 8. And here we have 6 times 8. Now what we need to do? We need to add all these areas. So I will count how many 6 times 8 I have. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 times 6 times 8 plus, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 4 times 8 times 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 3 times 18 times 8. Then you will do these multiplications. 5 times 6 is 30 times 8 I have, plus here I have 32 times 8, and plus here I have 3 times 8 is 24, 2 in mind, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 in mind, 5, 54 times 8. So this is 3 times 8 is 24 and 0, 240 plus 2 times 8, 16, 1 in mind, 3 times 8, 24, 1 in mind, 25 plus 4 times 8, it is 32, 3 in mind, 5 times 8 is 43 in mind, 43. So when you will add 0 plus 6 plus 2, it's 8, 4 plus 5, it's 9, and 3 here, 12, 1 in mind, 2 plus 2, 4, and 4, 8, 1 in mind, 9. 928 centimeter square is the answer. So here it is, the questions of 2022.